19 municipalities in northern Samar were affected by flash floods since December last year. Local officials say most of the province's crops and infrastructure were also destroyed. More on this from Joyce, Ilas.
When it rains, it pours. This has been the situation in northern Samar since December, as heavy rains caused floods and destruction of crops and infrastructure.
Actually, nag-declare kami ng state of calamity December 17 pa eh. Because kasi nag-start talaga yung ulan dito is mga 9. Yung heavy rains na talagang continue na yan.
The Northern Samar Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office reports 80% or 19 out of the 24 municipalities have already been affected by the calamity. Northern Samar capital Katarman is the most devastated municipality with more than 43,000 affected residents and 200 million pesos worth of damaged crops and infrastructure. Katarman Mayor Rolando Carpio admits that massive flooding has always been their problem during rainy season because of their problematic drainage system.
I have created yung inasabi namin yung ERT, yung Emergency Response Team. Ngayon, inano namin na ma-produce, mabili yung mga equipments na kailangan nila pagdating sa mga rescue operations. Mas maganda na nagkaroon sila ng training ngayon sa nangyari.
Bobon Mayor Renny Celespara says heavy rains destroyed almost all of the newly planted crops in their town.
Hindi na po ito mapapakinabangan. Talaga wala na kasi pag more than 1 week or 2 weeks, patay na yung palay niya.
Mayor Rod Suwan of the town of Allen says their municipality is among the least flooded areas in the province. Allen is the entry point of all ships in Visayas coming from Luzon or Mindanao. Suwan, however, says the heavy rains canceled almost 15% of the province's nautical trips daily.
So maraming tao hindi nakapagtrabaho dahil sa ulan. Pero mo mga 1 month na. 1 month na yung ulan.
Meantime, Northern Samar 1st District Maintenance Engineer Virgilio Aleria has reported the 5 roads damaged in Northern Samar. In December 8, this road in Barangay Washington and Macagtas collapsed after the river beside it rose as high as 10 meters and eroded the soil supporting the road. A month after, another road in Barangay Washington collapsed after the soil under it weakened due to quarrying.
Proposal namin sa government, local at saka national na kung pwede lang iban yung quarrying along the national road o any roads.
Aleria says it normally takes only a few months to fix a broken road, but with the unexpected weather and shortage in immediate response fund, it might take them years to fully rehabilitate all the destructed roads here in Northern Samar. Joyce, Ilas, RPN News.